Loreal is the world's largest cosmetics and toiletries company. Founded in 1907, it has been in the UK since 1932. During the early 70s, a factory was built in Llantrisant, close to the Welsh capital city of Cardiff. The plant began production in 1973 and has gone through a continuous program of development and investment to bring it to the modern factory on the site today. Nestling at the base of a wooded hillside and close to the M4 motorway, the factory produces for the consumer divisions of the Loreal business. It employs about 400 staff, with an output of about 200 million products per year. The plant includes 2 production centres. Each is a centre of excellence for specific cosmetic technologies. One production centre specialises on hair care products, such as shampoos and conditioners, while the second focuses on styling products, including gels, waxes and pump spray lotions. The factory produces products for the UK market, plus a substantial level of export production. An industrial distribution centre has been built alongside the factory to distribute to more than 20 countries worldwide. Opened in 2000, this logistics tool has the capacity to store almost 20,000 pallets. Whenever possible, the factory operates a pull system, where actual product sales generate a demand on the manufacturing plant. People buy our products from a range of consumer outlets. Our products are distributed to these stores from a commercial distribution centre, which generates a demand for replacement production from the Industrial Distribution Centre, IDC. The logistics function ensures that the right products are delivered on time to our customers. The factory planning section receives information on customer requirements while monitoring stock levels in the IDC. Using this information, they organize the production plans, ensuring that IDC stock is replenished ready for our customers. The factory logistics planner and the production centers keep in close contact to maximize customer service levels.
Good afternoon, PC1. Rachel speaking.
The production center will call off components from our suppliers when required. Logistic and quality contracts exist with the suppliers based on real working partnerships to ensure a smooth flow of components and raw materials into the factory whilst keeping stock levels low. Raw materials are offloaded at reception and brought into a quarantine area. Representative samples are sent to the laboratories for testing to ensure compliance with the Loreal specifications. Each raw material container has a barcode label to ensure that it can always be identified and to maintain traceability. The labels also carry instructions on the safe handling of the particular materials. For some high-consumption raw materials, the material arrives in tankers and is discharged into bulk storage tanks with direct links to the manufacturing processes. All raw material samples are tested in one of the industrial quality labs. A number of testing methods are available, such as viscosity, pH, and HPLC. These tests mean we can be sure that the raw materials are fully compliant with the Loreal specifications. Once accepted, raw materials are released from quarantine and transferred through to the production center materials storage area. Component reception follows a similar process. Samples of components taken by reception staff are passed to the industrial quality laboratories. Again, a variety of tests are applied. These include validation to ensure legibility of the barcode on the product, cap torque testing to ensure that caps are correctly fitted, and checking wall thickness of our plastic bottles. In all cases, the results are recorded and matched against the Loreal specifications before use in production. The first step in the generation of liquid product is pre-weighing in special laminar flow booths. A computerized system indicates the type and quantity of each raw material and where it is stored. Materials are brought to the cell and pre-weighed. This is done under controlled conditions of extraction and in compliance with the safety regulations identified on the raw material container label. Together, the computer system and the operators maintain a high level of accuracy. Each pre-weighed raw material is labeled with an identification ticket that also carries safety instructions. Again, traceability is maintained through the computer system. Our styling manufacturing area incorporates state-of-the-art safety features for handling alcohol-based products. Safety features include alcohol vapor detection, variable speed extraction systems, earth bonding of all equipment and fittings, and conductive flooring, to name a few. A 12-ton manufacturing plant is used to produce gel products. The plant is controlled by a recipe management system, which ensures consistent reproducibility. Raw materials are fed in under controlled conditions and processed to yield the liquid product. Safety and quality validations ensure that the equipment is fit for purpose. In our hair care production centre, shampoo and conditioner manufacturing takes place in 20-ton plants. Again, the process is highly automated and designed to produce a consistent liquid product that conforms to the Loreal specification and is right first time. Any manual additions are validated by barcode. Once the batch of liquid is completed, a sample is taken to the industrial quality laboratories for testing. The batch of liquid product is transferred into storage vessels ready to feed the production lines. One key factor in our shampoo manufacturing processes is that liquids must be produced with sanitized equipment. This is achieved by use of a built-in, clean and sanitized system between production batches. Small quantities of shampoo and conditioner are washed out from the vessels, forming the only liquid waste stream from the factory. This waste is treated in a state-of-the-art effluent treatment plant. The output of wastewater is well within the government specifications. Within the laboratories, the liquid samples are subjected to a series of tests to ensure, once more, that everything is in compliance with the Loreal specifications. It is not until these tests are successfully completed that the liquid can proceed on to the next stage of production within the packaging operations. Packaging lines within our styling production centre are located around a central trucking aisle. The packaging lines themselves are in a U-shaped formation, providing an efficient and ergonomic layout. Safety is again an important aspect, and lines are regularly given a full safety validation. Materials handling equipment is provided, pallet locations are clearly defined, and once again, pedestrian walkways are clearly separated. Our studio pump spray production line is highly automated and is controlled by one person. The operator is responsible for the total running of the production line. One specific task is quality surveillance of the products. Quality levels are maintained by automatic quality detectors and by regular online testing by the operatives. The operator monitors and controls product weight by adjusting the filling machine. Camera surveillance ensures that all labels are correctly positioned and that each product is clearly and correctly marked. Again, the batch code ensures traceability for every bottle. In our hair care production centre, the production lines are again arranged around a central trucking aisle. Product is fed to the production lines through sanitized pipelines from the fixed liquid storage vessels in the manufacturing areas. The area houses numerous high-speed filling lines operating at speeds of up to 200 units per minute. Our LV shampoo production line is highly automated. Operations include bottle feeding, filling, capping, labeling, shrink wrapping, case packing, and palletization. All products carry barcode identification at the product, pack, and pallet level. Once again, the operators are responsible for the production of quality products in a safe and efficient manner. Online quality checking is an integral part of their working day. Productive maintenance tasks are undertaken by both the operatives and the multi-skilled production technicians to ensure a consistent and reliable line output. Samples of products are taken for final validation of the quality of the finished goods. Once again, a series of tests are undertaken by our quality technicians to ensure compliance with the Loreal quality specifications. Tests include subjecting the product to a vacuum to check the seal. The environment is particularly important to Loreal. Returnable packaging has led to significant reductions in the levels of waste generated by the factory. Shrink wrapping is the final stage of production. This gives stability to the pallet for transport. The pallet barcode is checked before dispatch to the industrial distribution center, where the pallets of finished products are placed into the racking. Safety is of paramount importance within the industrial distribution centre. Specific routes are identified to ensure separation of pedestrian and forklift truck operations. 360-degree mirrors enable forklift truck operators to be constantly aware of adjacent traffic, and safety instructions are displayed in highly visible locations. Environmental considerations are also built into the building. These include energy-efficient, presence-activated lighting, which adjusts to the level of natural daylight. Lorries arriving at the Industrial Distribution Centre are located into bays for loading operations. Again, safety is evident. The doorways from the loading bays are interlocked with a wheel clamp system, which ensures that the lorry is unable to leave accidentally during loading. When a country issues a call-off to replenish their sales, a picking list guides the operator in preparing the shipment. The computer system, along with a perpetual inventory, ensures very high levels of stock accuracy. Prior to the actual loading operation, a full check of the load using barcode scanners ensures that each customer receives exactly the products that they have requested. Throughout Loreal, our teams aim to deliver sustained competitive advantage to our customers. To achieve this, we are committed to continually develop the abilities of our teams. The factory operates a system of apprenticeship to develop skilled staff for the future. In addition, all operational staff have access to national vocational qualifications, which give formal recognition to the skills they have developed within their roles. Continuous improvement is a key objective of the factory, and this is typically delivered by the use of cross-functional working groups. Staff with relevant experience meet together to discuss issues they face and to develop and implement suitable improvement solutions. In order to ensure staff at all levels of the organization are well informed about our business, the factory has a clearly stated vision and mission statement. Annual objectives are communicated to the entire workforce. Progress against the objectives is provided each month via team briefing. This is supplemented by a system of visual display boards with information on the progress of the factory and up-and-coming events and initiatives. Further communication is provided via regular union consultation meetings, involvement of our Works Council, and a regular employee newsletter. Beyond that, we want to play our role within the community. We work closely with our local authorities. We support schools and colleges via governorship and work experience opportunities. We support local universities with sponsorship and placement opportunities, and we raise significant sums of money to support local charitable organizations. Since 1973, Loreal in Llantrisant has played a vital part in the world's largest cosmetics and toiletries company, and we plan to continue to do this for the next 30 years and beyond.